Meet the Go Chair. Lightweight, comfortable, and designed for your active lifestyle. Its compact frame makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while the simple, tool-free breakdown allows for effortless transport. Designed for people on the Go Chair combines portability and power, offering a robust, 300-pound weight capacity. A top speed of 3.8 miles per hour. A compact 25.5-inch turning radius. An impressive travel range of up to 11.2 miles. And is available in 6 stylish colors. Additional features include dual swing-away under-seat storage bins, height and width adjustable armrests, a GC3 controller with quick disconnect, large foldable footplate, 5-point swivel seat with latch release, and Pride's Feather Touch disassembly that allows you to easily take apart your Go Chair for travel. Before disassembling your Go Chair, disconnect the joystick cable and open the under-seat storage. From there, lift up on the seat to remove it. Use the hand release to remove the battery box. Then disconnect the 2 halves of your Go Chair using the frame release lever. Now, your Go Chair is ready to be loaded into your vehicle. With its heaviest piece weighing only 36 pounds, the Go Chair is easy to load and will fit in the trunk of most vehicles. You can learn more about the Go Chair at topmobility.com. Or speak with our knowledgeable mobility specialists at 888-4-TOP-MOB. The Go Chair is compact, comfortable, and built for your independence. With easy disassembly and a thoughtful design, it's your perfect travel companion. Wherever life takes you, the Go Chair is ready to roll.